Okay guys, ayan na talaga, hindi na tayo napigilan. Wala na naman akong busis guys. Pag ganito wala akong busis, dalawa lang ibig sabihin yan. Kulang ako sa tulog, pagod, and laging nainom ng malamig na tubig. Yeah. So ngayon kasama ko ng aking mga anak. Kompleto ng perfect attendance. Kompleto ang perfect attendance. When I call your name, you say present, okay? Calvi.
Present!
Oh. Chico.
Present!
Dummy.
Present.
Present.
Ako muna mag-contain mo yung may present.
Mama, remember Cahill? We went there last time. It's a
Wow.
future park. We went there and we went in that big playground, Cahill.
Which big playground did
Jumbo.
Chaos.
Kiosk.
Just a small one.
No, it was a big one.
No. Outside.
Diba, Mom? It was so
For
big.
Chico. It's the biggest one for Chico.
But they didn't. You know.
What did you like the most about the playground?
Oh, the jumping game, the rolling game, and also the kiddie obstacle course, and the basketball trampoline, and the slide.
Chico likes a lot of things, Kahil.
But I do not like the slide that much, Mom.
And
That's the cha.
He's just 4, but he talks a lot. And you, what did you like about the
The only thing I liked was the big obstacle course.
Yeah. But they won't allow you. There's an obstacle course, Kuya Kyle, and they don't allow him because of his height. Because it's quite dangerous.
What about my height?
You guys okay? And mommy?
Because it's for above 13.
Because you're
Oh,
short.
sorry. It's okay. You will grow pa man.
I
Diba?
wish it was above 2 years old.
Eh. You won't even reach the line.
I can.
Today the playroom is very massive. Are you excited?
Yeah, I go there on my birthday all the time.
All the time. It's the first time you come to Thailand, you go there on your birthday.
Yeah.
But you know, I gave birth to you in Thailand. Right, Karina? Yeah. I gave birth to you
But
in this
and I
country.
grew up in Africa, right?
Correct. Did you like that?
Yeah.
So you choose Thailand,
But-
Philippines, or Africa?
Thailand.
And he's been staying in Uganda for 3 years, and then he stayed in Philippines 2 years, and then as soon as he gets to one day in Thailand, I want to be in Thailand.
How about you? What do you like? Thailand, Philippines, or
Thailand.
Thailand too?
Yeah.
Oh, no one's gonna be with mommy in the Philippines.
Philippines.
I'm so sad.
Philippines.
Yes.
I'm Philippines and Thailand. I'm going to look for them.
I'm only in the
We'll
Philippines.
pay for your flights to Thailand,
What?
and I'll pay for your flights to Thailand and to take you to my football games.
Thank you, love. I love you.
Yes.
And I'll spend money. Then on your birthday, I'll come back to Philippines and bring you a present.
I want you as my present.
And when I'm a grown up, I'm gonna work so hard and I'll give you money. I'll give you money to send me somewhere with a deep pool.
How about me? Who's gonna take care of me in the Philippines?
Me.
You said you want to be in Thailand.
I want Thailand and Philippines.
Thank you.
On your birthday, I'll come for you and stay with you on 6 years.
Thank you po. Kaya,
Yeah, so
you
if
should
I
also-
stay in Thailand and it's your birthday, I'm gonna go to another SM. I'll go to. Oh yeah, I know where to go. I'll go in that giant place. Then I'll buy you a necklace. That will be your present. I'll
So,
also buy you golden shoes.
golden shoes for me like Cinderella.
Golden shirt
Thank you.
and golden earrings.
Oh, thank you. Kiss the mama.
Phone is so clear.
Love you.
And I'll buy you an iPhone 20. And also,
iPhone 20.
I'll make you
What
a
is iPhone
new
20?
hairstyle.
Like a TV.
This looks so cool though. This design already looks cool, so I don't know what iPhone 20 could be.
Alright guys, so we are now 1 minute away from the mall.
iPhone 100.
medyo na traffic tayo kasi ngayon ay Sabado, so marami talaga nagsisilabasan para mag-malling. This is the first time na katulad ng sinabi ko, ito yung pinakaunang beses na nadala ko lahat ng mga anak ko sa Thailand. This is the first international trip nila since we came back from Uganda, Africa. It's the first time na pinuntahan namin lahat si Kuya Kyle together. It's the first time ni Chico, tsaka si Mayumi, dinala ko si Mayumi dito when she was a baby, remember? Kyle, right? When she was a baby, when I took you back to the Philippines. Yeah. And then Chico's first time. Calby's not the first time here kasi dito nabuo. Dito pinanganak si Calby. Nabuo at pinanganak si Calby. So, pinanganak ko siya dito pero sa another probinsya, and iniwan ni Calby ang Thailand. He was already 1 year old, I believe, and then he spent his 2 and 3 years old and turning 4 sa Uganda. Then bumalik na kami ng Pilipinas for good. Of course wala na siyang maalala, but Calby's mind is quite wide. He's a very deeper kind of kid, no?
Look.
Mapag-isip siya, no?
Mom, look. Look, Mom.
So, dalawang kotse kami ngayon. Nasa kabilang kotse si Achi, tsaka ang staff ni Achi, and then si Mayumi nagpaiwan din kay Achi. Kaya naman ni Achi yun si Mayumi. So, mauna lang kami, and then we'll see you guys sa aming kaganapan ngayon. Makikita ninyo kung gaano kasaya yung mga bata. Again, etong gagawin kong to ay pangarap ko at masaya ako at ngayon ay nagawa ko siya. It is something that I feel very proud.
Mommy, remember this place?
Yes.
Last time.
Very proud na i-check ko sa aking listahan for me to be able
Kyle, this is where we went. We went there and this is the big playground.
sit down.
Sorry. Mom, can't sit cow back.
Ka.
Mom, can I pay?
Yes.
Hey, Rob. Mommy.
Wait, Kyle, let your brother
Mommy.
experience. It's okay.
Mommy, are we here already?
Almost.
Wait, Mommy, almost.
So,
The money.
um,
Almost.
it's almost unbelievable, to be honest. Parang di ako makapaniwala na nagawa ko tong pangarap ko na to. I have been praying for this moment, and for me to give this kind of experience. Petsip ka, 100 baht. For me to give this kind of experience, no? Of course, sa tulong ni Mr. Yiga, ay talagang I'm happy. And si Mr. Yiga, so far madaling kausap. Sabi ko sa kanya, since wala pa naman siya, kailangan namin ng pera. 'Di ba? Nagmukhang pera. Mukhang pera man talaga ako. 'Di ba? Hindi ko man yan ginadeny na mukhang pera ako, guys. Pero ginakuha ko yung pera ko. Prato nun. Okay ka. Kap ka na ka. So, sabi ni Mr. Higa, habang wala pa siya, dahil ninaantay pa yung papeles niya, magpapadala na muna siya ng pera na panggastos. Kasi syempre, magastos. Natatawa ako kasi naghiwalay kami ng mga anak ko. Si Kyle bumili ng tubig. Sumama si Calby, gustong sumama. Si Chico, sigaw ng sigaw. Kaya ayaw niya na umalis si Calby kasi baka mawala. So, akala ko okay na siya. Lumapit ulit sa akin si Chico. Ayan siya. Ayan siya, guys. Sabi ko, manood ka lang dyan, huwag ka makialam ng candy. Sabi ko, lumapit siya ulit sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, Ma, hindi kaya mawawala yun si Calby, Ma? Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi yun mawala, kaya nakahawak kamay yun kay Kuya Kahil niya. Tapos ngayon lang siya natahimik, yun naman siya naglalaro na naman sa candy. Nawong ay. Chico, show me your face, be. Chico, yeah! Makastig, nawong. So, siya talaga yung laging takot na takot para sa mga kapatid niya. Kunyari, nasa dagat, sa park, maraming tao. Pag nahiwala yung mga kapatid niya or pumupunta sa malalim, talagang grabe si Chico. So, siya yung hindi ko alam eh. Parang lately ko lang din, ngayong taon ko lang na bantayan sa kanya na meron pala siyang ganong ugali na siya yung 4 years old pero siya yung laging nakatutok. Hindi mo lang halata. Pero nakatutok siya sa mga kapatid niya. Lagi niyang chinecheck kung kompleto. And then kapag kakulang or merong hindi nakikinig, kunyari, sinabi ko, Calby, wag dyan sa malalim. Tapos nakita niya si Calby na dahan-dahan pumupunta sa malalim. Alam niya. tatakbo siya sa akin, nagsusumbong, ma, si Calvi, ma, pumupunta sa malalim, ma, ganon na siya. Ma, mamatay si Calvi doon. Di ba, pumunta tayong dagat, no? Tapos takot na takot siya kasi si Calvi laging pumupunta sa malalim.
Chico, no.
Chico, halika dito, nak. Look lang, wag mag-touch. Mag-look lang. Nak, mag-look lang.
Shop lang, kumbaga, sa pagdating nila ng shop lang pinaka-caring sa imo kay di ba, gipakutanan nimo kung ano siya magagawa na siya kung gusto. Sa Philippines o Thailand, ang tuwa sa Thailand. Siya rin ka kay
Chico, come here.
mas lang, but siya
Don't touch your nose lagi. Come and look at this food. Ba, hilaw ban, mga hilaw ban. Ay, sausawan lang siya. Pwede mo siyang sausawan ng hilaw na, ayan o. Ayan o. Hilaw na isda, hilaw na dilis. Ay, hindi. Talagang hilaw siya sa loob. Ganito siya o, ban. Halika ban. Parang sausawan. Ay, hindi, may laman siya. Oh, meron siyang laman. Oh.
susawan lang siya, wala laman.
Sausawan? Hindi. Meron siyang laman. Ay, ayan, bibili sila ng sushi, tapos bibili ka ng sausawan, parang ganon.
O gani.
Ang galing oh. Sarap oh. Korean food. Bakit?
Tanggalan na ako ni kay Brag.
Hindi kayo pwede tanggalin kay Huvog. Oh no, Calvi is not back yet. Is he okay? Let's stand here.
He remembered.
Will he remember?
พร้อมสวัสดีค่ะและนอกจากนี้นะคะโปรโมชั่นท็อปเทส
Okay.
นะคะก็
Na tayo. Nakabili na kami ng tubig. Masyado kasing mahal ang tubig pagka hindi sa grocery. So bumili na kami ng tubig ng mga bata. Pero kasi yung activity natin today is only para lang talaga sa mga bata. Playroom tsaka merienda nila. Kami okay lang kami. Huwag nyo kaming alalahan. Mabubuhay lang kami ng ganito. Huwag nyo kaming alalahanin. Nahawakan ko si Chico, baka mawala. Malaki na yung investment ko dito sa kanya eh. Pag nawala to, luging-lugi na ako sa buhay. Kahil, your brother ha? Masabit yung laruan mo, nak. So other than that, nagpapabili si Kuya Kahil ng sapatos. Nak, wait lang! I will check your soccer. Later na lang. So, ang laki ng mall nila. Itong mall na to, ang tawag dito, Future Mall. Ang laki niya kasing parang mga times 5 to times 7 ng mall namin sa General Santos City. Ang maganda lang, it is very, it's very organized. Dili lagi magtakbo lagi.
Knock, knock.
Look at your four fingers.
How about you?
It's like 3 fingers.
Sinukat yung noo.
Oh, Mama.
Whip, whip.
And here we are at the beach.
Wag yan. We're not going there. So, dito kami nanggaling ng isang araw. Ayan. Maraming tao ngayon kasi weekend. So, ngayon,
Mom, this is where I went with my friends. Remember I
Wow.
told you I went to the hard place?
aha. Was it really horror?
Oh my gosh, I was dying.
I'm gonna die. Show Bunny.
Like, his hands were sticking out.
Wait. Calvi, come.
This is where I played.
Oh, eyeball. Spaghetti. Oh, blood. Scary.
There's a man with a chainsaw.
Meron silang parang playroom na siya, horror, nightmare. Stop doing that to your nose. Ito. Look, bloody. Ew. Oh. Look at the eyes. I'm going to die. Are you going to die there, Chico? I think Chico will like this one with the girl. No, you don't want? Takot. Hawak lang kay mama, kay mawala ka. Pag nawala ka, mag-iyak talaga ako, masad ako if Chico is lost.
If I get lost in this place, then what will I do? Just run away?
You look for a policeman and you say, can you call my mommy's name? Her name is, what's my name? What's my, complete name? Mommy Princess what? Princess Yiga. Very good. You say, can you call my mommy's name on the microphone? She can hear. Okay? You say, Princess Yiga. What is she wearing? Color? Brown. Is she beautiful or not? Ah! Marunong Okay. So, alam ni Kuya Kahel itong lugar na to kasi malapit lang siya sa area na to at dito sila nagbabanding ng mga barkada niya. Kaya alam niya yung papupuntahan. Maraming...
Look, a spring.
A spring or a waterfall?
I see the waterfall.
Whoa. Kahil, your brother. Dami. Salon, mga damit. Sa mga damitan. Wow, Thai clothes.
Kahiyap.
Baka mawala si Calvi, puntahan mo, mauna ka na. Mauna ka na. Baka mawala si Calvi Alam mo naman yon, very curious. Ako bahala dito sa isang maliit. Asan sila? Okay.
Sorry.
Say we are in front of Harborland. For you, you're a small kid. Ang cute mo, Chico. Ikaw daw, Calvi. Calvi, ikaw. You're a small kid. Ikaw, Kahil. You're a junior. Ikaw, Bani.
What do you mean I'm adult?
You're a junior adult. Ikaw. Ako, big kid. Hup!
Mama, no, you're a big kid.
Junior adult pala. Magkano ba pagka junior adult? Small kids sila. Dito kayo sa gilid. Calvi.
Body.
Dito tayo sa gilid. 40 baht lang pala yung medyas. Akala ko ang mahal. Grabe, ang ganda Yan ka daw. Small kid เท่าไหร่คะ
480 ครับ
มันกันเนาะ
ใช่เท่ากันเลย
แล้วก็toddler เท่าไหร่คะ
เท่ากันครับ
480เหมือนกัน200อะไร
200 คือ small stroller ครับ
small toddler แล้วก็คนแม่
200 บาทครับ
อันนี้ด้วย200ใช่ไหมคะ อันนี้ซ้ำชั่วโมงละคะ
3 ชั่วโมงครับ
แป๊บหนึ่งมีเพื่อนอีกมา มีเพื่อนมาแล้ว แป๊บหนึ่งนะคะไม่มี unlimited หรอ
มีครับผม
unlimited เท่าไหร่คะ
1,090 บาทครับ
อ๋อ โอเคแป๊บ
แต่
นึง
ว่า
นะ
ได้ทุกโซนเลย
ค่ะ โอเคแป๊บนึงนะคะ
ค่ะ
we can look. Marami pala siya. Kapag ka 4 zones, Malaki kasi siya. Kapag ka 4 zones, nasa 2,000 pesos or 1,000 baht yung kada isa. Pero pag yung 480 baht lang or 1,000 pesos kada isa sa kanila, kasi pati si Calvi, si Chico, ganun na din yung babayaran. 3 oras lang yun. Tapos sa main playroom lang nila or Harborland. Ganyan siya kalaki, guys. Sobrang laki niya hanggang doon sa dulo. Hanggang doon. Pero kami ni Bani, ano lang kami? 200 baht, 200 baht. I think magbayad na lang siguro ako and then later na lang tayo magpasok. We're waiting for Mami Shinshin. Kyle, can you see what Mami Shinshin said?
For the little kids, it's pink. For the older.
Okay, we got our entrance, guys. 200 baht or 400 pesos para sa mga matatanda ang mukha. So, si Bani lang. Matanda ang mukha. Sa'yo yung isa, akin isa. Tapos, si Chico, si Calvi, at saka si Kuya Kahil, 480 baht. Almost 1,000 pesos din. Pero ganitong klaseng playroom, grabe, very challenging for them. Tingnan nyo naman yung slide, ang taas-taas. Tingnan nyo yung yung mga monkey climb. Ang taas din. So, ang daming pwedeng gawin. And they are allowed here, you are allowed to play for 3 hours. So, when you come here, anong ginagawa mo ng friends mo? Your friends?
6 friends.
What do you do inside? Which one?
We do jumping.
What else?
Mega Harborland. But Mega Harborland is like for tag. And jumping, we play basketball and stuff.
For
Oh, this
tag.
one- this one has
Yeah, I think this is fun for tag because it's quite difficult. We're going. Asa ba si Ma'am Shin? Lihati. Ah! Lipaya, uy. Lipaya, uy.
Mommy,
Hmm.
what did you only buy?
Ha? Ano?
Sticky sock.
Because you're not allowed to play inside without that socks. Kasi this socks has a special, so you don't fall. You touch this one. That one will not let you fall on the ground.
Oh, like slippery.
Kasi merong specific na medyas na parang may anti-slip. Ngayon, kailangan mo siyang bilhin. Mahal siya, 120 pesos or 60 baht. Pero, napakagandang quality. Ay, put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. Hello. Oh, okay. Ban, pakiasikaso ng bata, gang. Wow, so cute. Si Beati, okay na. Wow. Dahan naman. Sit down, sit down. Yan. Yes, we're going inside to play. Ang mata. Ang mata. Nasot ko na.
Do you want to play? Yeah.
May free pa talaga pagka nakaliit. May bayad kayo. Magkano? 200 kayo, yung magbantay. 200 din, no? We go inside together. Mayumi, wow, Mayumi, go to playroom. Hawakan mo muna siya, gang, ha? Busy pa si ano. Huwag mo iwan si Mayumi, ha? Yung ganito mo nasaan? Ban, yung ganito mo, Ban? Ka? Doon daw natin ilagay sa loob. Sila daw maglagay.
Sila pala maglagay. Okay.
Okay, put your shoes on. Let's go.
No, wag na i-put on ang shoes. Let's go.
Ay,
Carry your
Put your shoes on!
Mayumi,
What?
Mayumi. Hey, carry your shoes.
carry your shoes.
Your shoes, oh. Carry your
Mamaya na daw yan, gang, doon sa loob.
Okay, let's go.
Carry your shoes. Let's go.
Maya, we want your shoes.
You're so slow, guys. Carry your shoes. Go inside. Pa, let's go. Okay, tara. So, ito din yung sinihan nila guys. Napakalaki. Ang daming movie. Mga sikat ngayon Moana. Pero hindi tayo manonood. Ay, gusto kong akyatin yan. Ako, healing my inner child. Never kong na-experience. Gusto ko yan. Gang, basura natin. Ay, dito na. Hello. ค่ะ ผู้ใหญ่ก่อน
Ay, where's the resibo?
Yay!
Where's the resibo?
Bakit? Sino nagahingi?
Kasi kailangan nila.
Ano na kailangan? Ah. Tayo ka na have my phone, love.
I don't have it.
Ay, ito pala. Ani, ha? Kunan mo nga sila ng video. Patayo. Mga bata. Thank you. Chico, wait. Calvin, dito muna. Ten seconds lang. Alright. Chico, dito. Ah, ano yung cellphone ko, Banbe?
We can put right.
Okay, ano siya?
Bata guys, nagkanya-kanya na. So, napaka-stricto pala dito kasi hindi pwede na ibang brand ng medyas yung susuotin mo. Dapat medyas lang talaga nila. So, ang galing na negosyo. Napakagandang negosyo. Sa Jensen kasi, mga playroom doon, hindi naman sila stricto, basta naka-medyas lang. Tapos, kahit na walang anti-slip, pwede din. So, tara na, sana mahagilap ko pa yung mga bata. Let's go. Okay, hindi ko na makita ang mga anak ko. At ako din ay nawawala. Hindi ko alam kung saan ang pasok at saan lalabas. Okay. Wow, ang galing ah. Chico! Saan ka umakyat?
Mag-climb, di mo
Ah.
si Chico.
Wow, oy, nakakatakot.
Ito daw, diba? Mura kong nahadlok dito. Magkita na ko sa baba.
Ah. Mabilis pala siya. Mabilis. You want to slide? You want to slide with Mama?
I want to go
Wala naman akong kasama. Nagkanya-kanya na yung mga... Ang staff ni Ma'am Sino. Kala mo kung sino bata. Gusto kong gawin to. So, wala naman yung mga anak ko. Magtatayo tayo dito ng tripod. Ayun si Calby. Nakita ko si Calby. Wait lang guys ha. Hindi pwede na hindi tayo mag-enjoy kasi nagbayad ako ng entrance fee dito. Malulugi tayo. Dapat mapaldo ako ngayon. 200 baht 400 pesos ko din yun. Pinaghirapan ko yan. So, ang gagawin, dapat aakyat muna tayo dito sa kanilang. Uy, in fairness ha, hindi siya madali ha. Kita ba tayo dyan? Dapat aakyat muna pala dito sa parang mountain climb. Aray ko. Wala, ang sakit pala sa paa nito. Walang ibang way. In fairness, mahirap ha. Nakakatakot. Try natin to guys. Ang bilis! Ang bilis! Dapat ano maghiga? Ah, higa! Nakakatakot! Oh my God. Akala ko parang maiksi lang siya. Pero pag nandun ka na sa taas, sobrang... Ay, wait lang. Kailangan ko mag-recover. Hindi ko alam. Parang nakakahiya. Parang kailangan ko mag-recover. Parang naiwan yung kalag ko sa taas. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun. Pagdating sa taas, ang taas niya, tingnan, nakakatakot. Wala na akong choice kasi nandun ako. Oh my gosh. Namukumo ko, guys. Sumakit yung ulo ko. Natapon, tumilapon, parang tubol. Oh my God. Sakit ang ulo ko. Guys, hindi ako nakapag-prepare. Awayin na naman ako ng mga basher nito. Kaya, ang sabi nila, bakit nagpunta ka ng playroom? Ganyan lang suot mo. Hindi ko man alam, guys, na yung playroom pala dito. Parang tornado pala yung effect ng slide nila. Agay. So, ang technique pala is dapat nakahiga. Pag nag-slide ka, dapat humiga ka. Kasi pag nakaupo ka, talagang tutuwad ka. Tutitilapon ka talaga na parang tubol. Okay, hanapin ko muna yung mga bata, guys. Parang ako yung nag-enjoy. Parang 200 baht ko dito, bawing-bawi na ako. Isang item pa lang yun. Wait. Pero alam niyo mabuti, pinayagan ako magdala ng tripod. Dito tayo. Chico, what do you want to play? You go up. You want to go up? With mama? Go up, Chico. Ay! Ala. Pa! Ala! OMG, nakakahiya kayo. Parang ako lang din, nakakahiya. Gusto ka, ma? Makalipong. Makakatakot. Makalipong pa. Yung doon pa lang gani, parang naubos na yung ano ko, napaldo na ako sa 200 bus. Parang hindi siya mataas, pero pagdating mo sa taas, ang taas niya pala. Tapos dapat nakahiga kasi pag nakaupo, matambling ka.
Nagduha-duha, managkuwang kailangan si Chico sa tuwa. Hala, wait sa. Gibawa, gitaas na po na po siya. Tapos nagapangita, nagkubakas ng loob. Kita tong video.
Ang cute siguro ng video nyo. Sana si Chico, nawala na.
Hindi siya pwede diri, bantama mo siya.
Ay, may nagabantay ba?
Oo, meron.
Ah, so dito lang siya pwede?
Dito lang.
Okay.
Na ano, mag-yun siya diraa, si Chico. Dili na niya kaya. Dili na ko bad dili na ko.
Bad ex, cancel ka, cancel. Hanapin ko muna yung ibang mga bata. Hindi ko man lang sila.
Bani yung tayo, patry ni.
Oh, si.
Bani, mindot ka iwan niya.
Lululul. Gumanon eh. Hanapin ko muna. Saan si Chico? Hanapin ko muna. Hindi ko na makita si Kahil. Hindi ko makita si Kahil. Tsaka si ano.
Kahil dito, nag-trampoline.
Oh, really? So, sige. Sabi ko pa naman, sasabayan ko si Calby or si Chico. Grabe naman yung slide nila. Patayo naman yan. Oh? Paano malaman? Nakakatakot, guys. Ayoko na, Lord. Hindi ko kasi ginagawa itong mga to talaga. This is my least, na mga experience. Kasi wala lang, feeling ko nakakatakot lang siya talaga. I'm not good with heights, to be honest with you. And I've been trying na yung mga bata, expose sila sa ganito para hindi naman sila mamanol katulad ko. Pero ako talaga, hindi ako sanay sa mga ganituhan. Ginagawa ko lang siya. Wala lang. Kasi na-curious to heal the inner child nga. Itong pagka-heal ko ng inner child, mamukmo pa pala ako, guys. So, hindi ko makita yung mga anak ko kung nasaan na. Yung slides nila, guys, very patayo. Hindi ko makita si Mayumi. Gusto ko puntahan. Yan yung mga slides nila, oh. Oh, gusto mo to? You want to do this with mama? Ha? Okay, let's do it together. Wait for me. Okay, wait for me. Chico, wait for me. Go. Ha, 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 ha. So, nakita ko si Chico. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Sinubukan ko mag-slide. Saan na siya? Ayun. Nakakatakot. Wait lang. Ah. Guys, sinubukan ko yung slide. Etong slide ni Chico, sinubukan ko, guys. Sakit ng ulo ko. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Yung mga slide nila nakatayo, hindi siya nakahiga. Kahit na few seconds lang siya, parang naiwan yung... Kailangan ko ng few minutes para mag-recover. Bakit ganito itong slide dito? Ganito. Pambata siya, pero patayo yung slide. Put your pants down. Where are you going? Gagawin ko to, guys, ha. Pagkatapos ni Chico, ako ulit yung gagawa. Dapat pala talaga naka-leggings, naka-pads tayo dito, eh, no? Dito tayo. Ayan. Parang ako yung... Hindi pa nabawi yung 200 baht ko dito. Kailangan natin siyang bawiin. Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Ako'y bababa. Go, go! Go! Go, go! Lay down, lay down, lay down! Sakit ng ulo ko, girl. Mga first timer. Anong edad mo? 28 years old po. First time ko po dito, kuya.
Ulit mi kada ina sige. Healing our inner child.
Asa banda? I like that healing inner child. Eto healing. Ay. What's wrong? Ha?
I want to go down.
Oh, dali, go down. What's wrong, love? Bakit man? What is scary for you?
Guys hurt my head.
Saan? Saan ang hurt you?
Fast.
Oo.
And it's also very big and scary.
But everyone is here, man. They cannot come out. Kaya everyone has someone that looks after us. You choose lang what is comfortable for you. You don't have to do everything, man.
There's nothing that is comfortable to me.
Did you try the slide? I thought you liked the slide.
I tried to slide, but they were too fast and too big and too bumpy.
But there was one there that is not big. I was doing also the one that is not big.
I want to do a big one, but not that fast.
Mabilis kasi talaga yung slide nila dito. I know, I tried the slide and it was too fast. Kasi yung slide nila, guys, kahit na hindi siya mataas, promise, nakatayo siya. Okay. You want to go to the baby one? I'm not sure if they will allow you in the baby part. But mama already paid, man. I paid the money already. We cannot do anything about it. How about this one, oh? Did you try? I'm sorry, Kambe. Masakit daw ang ulo niya, natamaan. May mga bata naman talaga na nagre-reklamo na masakit daw yung mga ulo nila. Ako masakit yung puwet ko kasi bumpy siya. Pero yung slide niya talaga nakakaiwan ng kalag. I know that the slides are quite scary, but you have to be training yourself because you're going to bigger slides, remember? So yun na, look for something you like na lang. It's a big place. There are drawings there. There are things you can do if you don't want to slide. You can go up and down. There's also some bit of trampoline. Go where? Come. Kawawa naman si Chico. Chico is enjoying though. Si Chico nag-e-enjoy siya.
I know he's doing not the scary side.
Come, let's look for something that doesn't have a slide. There's a kid island. Are you allowed to go on the kid island? Okay. How about this? People are going up this way. There. I think this one will take you to the kids. Yeah, this one will take you to the kid island. Why don't you try? Grabe yung mga slide nila, guys. As in, parang hindi man siya nakakatakot, to be honest, ha. Iba talaga yung slide dito sa Harborland, dito sa ito mismong playroom na to. First time ko din kasi dito. I've heard about this. He was having a good time. You can't even see him right now. I don't know. He was sliding. Try to go up. Bye-bye. Have fun. Ayun na siya. Pumasok na siya doon. Doon na lang daw siya sa pambata kasi nakakatakot daw dito. Pero katulad nung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, katulad nito, from here, it looks like maganda, malapad, di ba? May bola, may foam. Hindi naman talaga siya masakit. Pero dahil dun sa mga paputol-putol na mga part ng slide, nagiging bumpy, medyo uncomfortable. Tapos yung slide nila, instead na medyo pahiga siya ng pagganon, talagang medyo nakaganon siya, no? So imagine mo yung nag-slide ka ng ganyan, biglang bagsak. So kapag hindi ka humiga, talagang titilapon ka na parang tubol. Tubol talaga yung i-compare ko dyan. Kasi ma-imagine ko yung tubol nagpaikot-ikot. Nagpaikot-ikot yung tubol. Si Mayumi, hindi ko alam nasaan. Nilabas ata ni Ma'am Sheena. But si Kyle, never ko pang nakita. Hindi ko alam saan na siya umabot. Si Calby tsaka si Chico, nakita ko na. Dito siguro sa may bouncing castle. Iba din yata ito eh. Bouncing castle. May bouncing castle dito. Ano siya, yung difficulty level nito, very advanced. Ang daming bata, pero hindi mo naman sila masyado nakikita kasi sobrang laki ng place. Oh. Successful kaya si Calby sa pinuntahan niya na Babyland. Ayun na si Calby sa taas. Ayun na si Chico. Nakita ko na si Chico. Akyatin ko kaya yun. Try natin pumunta ng second floor dun sa may Babyland. Tingnan natin kung makikita ko si doon. Chico tsaka si Calby. Baka natutuwa sila doon na part. Try ko kung magkasya tayo. Let's go. Na-trauma ako, guys. Parang ayaw ko nang umulit. Sumakit yung ulo ko. Every time na mag-slide ako, pagkababa, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Try natin to. Pwede kaya ako ditong pumasok. Ayun na si Mayumi. Si Bunny. Ayun. Dito na lang ako sa pang-baby, guys. Nakakatakot yung mga slide. Hi! Wow! Wow! Dito na lang tayo. Masakit ng ulo ko. Poink, poink, poink. Poink, poink, poink. Follow Mami Sinsin. Whoa. 1, 2. Go, Mayumi, you can do that. Ipakita mo sila na taga-Africa tayo. Oh, hala. Hala. Nahulog pa. Aha. Ay, kay nag-shortcut. Aha. Okay, I think this is the level na bagay kay Calvi kasi takot siya dun sa isang slide. Si Chico, okay lang, nagustuhan niya. Ano te, ang slide niya paana, oh. Ako po, nakulbaan ko, bisag mo po lang siya. Oh, eto may slide dito. Pwede si Mayumi dyan? Si Chico, nagustuhan niya. Wait lang, mag-slide siya. Wait, antayin ko siya sa baba. Saglit lang. Tumilapon. Sabi ng anak ko, paubaya. Magpaubaya ako sa inyo. Nakita ko yung mukha niya, sis. Mami Shinshin naman. Go, Mami Shin. Nung dapat sa edad niya talaga, si Chico nawawala. Pero okay lang si Chico. Sana siya? Ako'y nahihilo ha. Grabe na itong sakripisyo ko ha, sa cameraman. Dito tayo. Oops. Go, Mayumi! Ayan, si Mayumi nang susunod. At least ito hindi masyadong mabilis. Wow! Yay! Oh, bring the thing, bring it. No, bring here. Give to mommy, give to mommy. Go, Calvi! Masaya na si Calvi. Normally, okay man siya sa slides. Ngayon lang. Yay!
Again.
Yay! Why are they so down like this? I tried and I look like a poop falling out of a car.
I want to try, come on. Let's try that shooting game. So,
It's with Mami Shinshin app.
use her ball. Okay, use this ball.
Sige. Go. Ayun na sa taas. Nge. It's stuck. Careful na ha. Your hands will can get stuck ha. Ayun. Did you hit? 250? Ay, salamat. So far, so good. Kyle, which one is your favorite, anak?
Football and basketball.
The slides, you don't
There's
like?
also zip line. Why don't you go do zip line?
Okay, how about the slides? Did you try?
I tried trying.
Did you try the slide? Because I did and I was about to cry. Ay, oh, yung mabuti na lang wala kang jowa. Mabuti na lang wala kang crush kasi baka ma-discourage, ma-disappoint, mag-back out. Ayoko na sa world. Eto, O, ayan, pwede ako dito. Ganyan na slide. Tsaka eto na, eto kaya ko to, guys. Kayang-kaya. At least eto kaya ko. Eto yung slide na gusto ni Calby. Kasi, eto na slide, hindi siya as in pabagsak talaga. Medyo merong 2 level. At least sana ganyan. Grabe talaga yung dun sa may baba. Ilang floor ba kasi to? Ay, 2 floor. So ngayon, nasa 2nd floor na tayo. Kanina, dyan kami sa 2nd floor. Tsaka yung kanina yung parang may lava-lava mountain. Pero dito, yay, Chico! Chico, one more time! Wala, ang ganda ng ginagawa ni Chico. One more time! One more time, one more time! May pa-zipline. Yay! Kahil, your turn. Okay, your turn. Chico, on the side. Go on the side. Go on the side. Matamaan tayo. Whoa! My turn, my turn. Ay, pwede magbalik?
Okay, ready?
Wait! Wait na!
I'm waiting.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
Woo! Wow! Wow! That's nice! I like it! Okay. So, normally, kayo talaga tinakot nyo si Bunny. Nabasa niya siguro yung mga comment ninyo. Ngayon, hindi na siya naglalaro, guys. Behave na si Bunny. Huwag naman kayo masyadong uptight, okay? Ako, hinahayaan ko. Let me help you. Sige, go up, go up. Go up there in the blank, in the ano. Sakay ka. Whoa! Spider-Man! Try ko. Meron kasi kaming rule na pag nasa playground, hayaan yung mga bata. Ngayon, nakalimutan ko sabihin kay Bunny na tong playground sa Thailand, ibang level. So, wag hayaan yung bata kasi baka mamaya, pagkita mo, wala na, nakatiwarik na. So, ngayon, hindi naman sa lahat ng oras naglaro siya, chine-check niya yung mga bata. Pero yung iba kasi sa inyo, mga comment, grabe naman. Alam nyo, si Bunny, never niya din na-experience sa buhay niya. Never, never na never. And siya yung klase ng nanny na nale-level niya yung sarili niya sa mga anak ko. Siya yung klase ng nanny na may energy na makapaglaro sa mga bata. Siya yung klase ng nanny na he knows how to live and how to have fun the old way. Siya yung instant na bumili ng saranggola, madam, bili tayo ng saranggola sa Shopee. Siya yung, madam, huwag ka nang bumili ng saranggola. Meron tayong lumang walis at saka meron tayong mga plastic cellophane. Yun gagamitin natin, gagawa kong saranggola, ganon. Madam, huwag ka nang bumili ng ganito. Aayusin ko na lang yung bisikleta na luma. Or, madam, umuulan ng malakas. Payag ka ba, dalhin ko mga bata, maliligo kami sa ulan. Ganon na klase. So, masaya ako para kay Bunny. And, stricta ako sa kanya kasi I want her to be sensitive sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero it doesn't mean na binabawalan ko siya. Ang iba sa inyo kasi, may mga comment doon na siguro nakita niya, nasaktan siya. So, dahan-dahan naman kayo sa pag-comment. Ha? Si Bunny ay, okay si Bunny. At kung maging hindi man siya okay pagdating ng araw, akong bahala. Okay? Kayo naman, bigyan niyo naman ako konting kumpiyansa, guys. Para naman kayong walang tiwala sa akin. Ano? Nak, let's go change to another toy. Come on. Sumakit talaga yung ulo ko sa slides, ah. Wow! Sige daw, you do that daw. You ring the bell, ah. Go! Yay! My turn! Parang feeling ko, mahuhulog tayo dito. My turn!
Ring the bell.
Wag! Ano ba yan? Ha? Anak, it's difficult. Is that for kids? Is that for mommy?
Yeah, because you're already grown up.
Wait, I have to ring the bell. Siguro, dapat. What? Ayaw. Aray ko. Aray ko naman. You want to do a slide?
But this way.
Where is it coming out? Okay, go do the slide. Let's go do it together. Ito parang, oh my gosh,
Turtle.
scary.
Come on, go.
Go! Wait for me downstairs. Aray ko. Ayoko. Ayoko. Nakakatakot. Mama! Ayoko na. Ayan o. Chica! I won't do it. Natatakot ako, guys. Atras tayo. Cancel. Cancel. Aray ko. Aray ko. Aray ko. Ayoko na. Ang hindi naman siya mataas, pero bakit pagpasok ko parang ano? Aray ko. Bahala kayo dyan. Sino? Matumbahan siya. Okay, so far so good na. Lahat sila nag-e-enjoy na. Akala ko kanina si Calby yung pinaka-greatest concern ko kasi talagang malungkot siya. Si Attorney Calby, ang hirap ma-please. So sabi niya, malipat na lang ako sa pang-baby kasi dito ayoko, masakit yung ulo ko, natamaan ako sa slide. Tapos, ang slide nila masyadong mabilis, hindi ko gusto. Natakot na siya. So, buti dito sa second floor, lahat kinaya niya. Natuwa na, nakangiti na siya nung nakita ko siya last time. Pero kung hindi ko na siya makita, hindi ko alam nasaan. Be happy! Ano lang? Wow! Kay Calby, ano sa'yo na? Quail? Suotan mo siya ng apron. So, eto yung before ni Chico. Chico, this is before. Ayan, before kay Chico. Tingnan natin yung after mamaya. Eto kay Chico, before. Eto yung before niya. Kay Mayumi, eto yung before ni Mayumi. Eto yung before din. Chicken, tsaka cat. Thank you, Zip. Wala, sino nagawa niyan? Ang cute. Wow, artistic. Akala ko arte ka lang. Ay, testek ka pala. Andyan si Mami Shinshin nila. Picturean kita na ka. Pa. Mayumi! Meow! Mayumi! Meow! Grabe seryoso yung mga anak ko guys. So, ayan pa isa oh. Buti pa si Zephora tsaka si Jo. Today is your day.
Ay, kasi wala nagdo.
Okay, 480 baht or almost 1,000 pesos. I would say na okay naman siya for 3 hours kasi hindi lang naman pala paglalaro yung mabibisihan. Meron silang mga interactive game and meron silang art corner. So, eto na yung ano ni Chico after. Eto na yung after result niya. And eto na po yung isa niyang ginawa. Ayan. Masaya na si Chico nito guys. So, I'm very proud mama. Hindi kailangang dayain yung gawa ni Chico. And then kay Mayumi naman, eto walang halong biro. Hindi tinulungan ni Bunny. Charan! Eto ang kay Mayumi. Kalahati patay na. Kalahati wala pang kulay. And then, gumawa din si Mayumi ng pusa. Eto naman yung pusa ni Mayumi. Hindi na makita yung mukha. Alright. I tried it and I was falling. Chico did it. Ah. It's okay. You have to find a way to be able to climb. It's difficult, but it's... He was trying to balance. He was balancing. He was crawling. You have to crawl like lie down on it. Yeah, put your body on it. Yeah, like that. Then you go up slowly. Like that. Slowly up. But this one is soft. Okay, I tried it but I failed. The what? Purple? Okay. I'm gonna wait for you. Pasama si Calvi sa slide. Ito, okay lang to. Saan bang daanan ito? Asan ba to? Where are you? Medyo nakakatakot. Kasi gusto daw ni Calvi sabayan ko siya. Sa mga sakit yung ulo ko, pero sige, go. Ay. Wait! Ayan siya. Grabe na. Mga ano to? Pambatang playroom. Okay.
Wait lang, you go the other way.
Sige. Okay, wait lang. They will go first. Eto, gusto ni Calvi. Hindi siya natatakot dito. Wait lang ako. Wait, someone is there. Woo! 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 This one is fun. Okay, where are we going? Ay, that's scary for me. Another slide. Aray ko. Aray ko. Aray ko. Sakit. Yes. Wait for them to go. Woo!
Go, Mom, it's not fast.
I'm scared. Get this one first. I'm so scared. Wah! Aray ko. Na-stop. Naipit yung legs ko. Sino ba naman kasabi? Pupunta ka ng playroom tapos nakapalda ka, walang hiya. Malay ko ba? Kasi lahat ng samahan ko na si Calvin na lang hindi nasamahan. Ayoko na magtampo siya. Baka sabihin ng anak ko may paborito. Saan tayo? Zipline. Nakaka-enjoy naman talaga siya. Worth it. I would still go back here with a group of friends. Pinagchichismisan kayo, tapos nandito kayo sa parang, slides. Ang bata. Okay, next natin. Ano tayo? Zipline. Okay, go! I will wait for you dito. Okay ko, kailangan pampabuhay ng loob. Nauubos yung energy ko. Yay! Good job, Papi! I did already. It was fun. Try to stand up. Ang sakit sa ulit. Okay.